Understanding choir singing. A guide to musical harmony. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful world of choir singing. Choir singing is not just about individual voices, but about how these voices come together to create something truly magical. Let's dive into what makes choir singing a unique and enriching experience. Choir singing involves a group of people singing together, typically in harmony. Unlike solo singing, choir singing is about the collective sound and how different vocal parts blend to create a cohesive piece. Choirs can vary in size and style, ranging from small groups to large ensembles, and can include a mix of soprano, alto, tenor, and bass voices. One of the key elements of choir singing is harmony. Harmony occurs when different notes are sung simultaneously to create a pleasing sound. In a choir, harmony adds depth and richness to the music. Each voice part has its own role. Sopranos often carry the melody, altos add depth, tenors bring warmth, and basses provide the foundation. A crucial skill in choir singing is the ability to listen and blend with others. Choir members must be aware of their own voice and how it fits with the group. This requires careful listening and adjusting one's volume and tone to ensure a balanced and unified sound. Choirs can be classified by their makeup, like children's choirs, adult choirs, mixed choirs, and the style of music they perform. Some choirs specialize in classical music, while others may focus on folk, gospel, or contemporary genres. The repertoire of a choir often reflects its purpose and the interests of its members. Choir singing is not just about music, it's also about community. Being part of a choir can create a sense of belonging and shared purpose. It's a chance to connect with others, share experiences, and create beautiful music together. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of choir singing and its unique qualities. Choir singing is a powerful way to bring people together through music, creating harmony both in song and in spirit. Keep singing, keep listening, and keep enjoying the wonderful world of music.